Hello everyone, very warm welcome to the fourth edition of the Commercial Dispute Pantry. This is Nikita Virmani and with me I have Dr. Roy. He's a partner at Galadari Advocates and Legal Consultants. Sayan, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? And you, Pat Taki. Firstly, I would want to know your experience at this contest so far.
Oh, in one word, if I would have to explain, it has been extremely hot, provoking, and a value addition. Because you see, while I'm from Indian origin, but I work in a different country. So for me, the entire day has been a lot takeaway. And most important, what I saw was that each and every panel had a different take in the same subject matter, which is not easy. And I really congratulate Duity Legal for this, for the fantastic level of thought process which must have gone to create and curate each of these topics. So for me, it was definitely a great and
Very good. Secondly, I would told that how can technology like ODR and AI make justice faster and more accessible?
absolutely. I think that's basically where the world is moving to. We cannot really not accept online technology and AI. It is a part of our lives, and ODR, online dispute resolution, I would say is one of the best things that can happen, given that in UAE already we are seeing it happening. Our litigations and our dispute resolution is taking that structure. And the first couple of themes definitely is because it is, it is not going to have the barrier of anybody being kind of stopped with the level of any distance. You can actually be remotely present and still carry on a process, which is faster. And at the same time, when you tell about API or artificial intelligence, I would say it's the best, it's a blessing which has happened to humanity. So we are using it at all levels. So why would a dispute resolution not use it? The way it can actually go ahead is that the entire research work, which definitely the arbitrators do or the mediators do, can be done by AI, while which is a lot of time being saved, and at the same time, then the human blend comes in with the essence that it brings it, which is not replaceable. So it is definitely going to take care of the larger burden of work, cutting down on time and then making it more time efficient.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Kia Tahi. Stay tuned for more such exciting updates and insights. Thank you.